Hey, it's Lisa, and I'm making one of my favorite pastas, shrimp with linguine, but there's something special about this. So I'm always looking for ways to take dishes I do a lot and elevate them, make them a little bit, a little more special. So I found these linguine, which I love because they're made with beetroot, spinach, turmeric, and paprika. So that gives you this really fun stripe. So let's get started. So I've got my water boiling, and the water is salty like the sea. And let's put the pasta, and you're gonna wanna cook these for around 10 minutes. So I'm gonna heat up the pan. Now this goes really quickly. I'm gonna add the butter and the olive oil. Let that melt. We're gonna add a little wine. I'm using Sauvignon Blanc. Woo. The garlic. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And I just decided at the last minute to add a little bit of red pepper flakes. Just because I want a little heat. So now we're gonna put the shrimp on. Now you wanna cook these just enough so they get a little bit pink on both sides, otherwise they'll get too, how do you say it, chewy? It's smelling good in here. Those look good to me. I'm gonna take them off the heat, and a little lemon juice, a little bit of fresh parsley, give it a stir. Now we just have to wait for our pasta and we can eat. There's only one way to really know. So just by switching up my linguine to something a little more colorful, I changed my dish. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to know more about what's going on An Appetizing Life and get this recipe, go to anappetizinglife.com. I'm talking fast because these scrimps are calling me. Bye.